Look, this is the live cicada right here. It's somehow alive. Look. I'm just gonna let this climb on this. Okay, I'm not here to hurt you, just climb on this. Just climb on it. Come on, climb. Climb. I'm gonna release him into natural habitat. Get on. Get on. Get on. Get on. Please get in. Get on. Okay, okay. Good, good. Okay, I'm gonna release you into your natural habitat, alright? I am a fan of cicadas. I'm not gonna kill you. Here you go. Okay. Go. Okay, go. Here you go. Okay. That's all, guys. Goodbye.